Don't cry because it is over. Smile because it happened. When something bad happens, you have three choices. You can either let it define you, let it destroy you, or you can let it strengthen you. Sometimes you will never know the value of a moment until it becomes a memory. You have to be hard to be number one. To the world, you may be one person, but to one person, you may be the world. It is better to know how to learn than to know. I fit in when you are born to stand out. Be sure when you step with care and great tact. And remember that life is a great balancing act. Sometimes the questions are complicated and the answers are simple. Today, you are you. That is true than true. There is no one alive that is youer than you. In your head is your brain. Your feet are in your shoes. You are in control of which direction to go. You are on your own and you know what you know, and only you can decide where to go. Only you can control your future. Always remember, you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful as you have ever imagined. When a man does something stupid once, well, that's because he is a man. But if he does the same stupid thing twice, that is usually to impress some lady. You can get help from teachers, but you are going to have to learn a lot by yourself, sitting alone in a room. Reading can take you places you have never been before. I like nonsense. It wakes up the brain cells. At life through the perspective of a child enables you to laugh at life's realities. If you always have faith and trust in yourself, there is no limit to the places you will go.